Okay, so I am looking outside my window, South Loop area in Chicago, and I am just looking at how the rain is and how dirty the outside of my window is as well. Ew, ew. Anyway, you see when the street lights come on, you know it's outside is really dark. You may not can tell on this video how dark it is, but it's pretty dark. It seems like it's 10 a.m. and it looks like it's maybe 8 o'clock in the evening. The rain is coming down in certain parts of Chicago. They're saying, especially the suburbs, it's high flood. It's thundering and lightning. A lot of houses are getting flooded in, and some are have to be rescued by boats. Hear the rain. The rain is coming down. It's coming down. All of Chicago. You can see it. I don't know if you can see through this window, but my other windows you can see certain parts of Chicago as well, especially the downtown area and the if I was on the penthouse, the highest floor, I could show you the beach, but I can't show you the beach because I'm not in the real highest floor. But you can tell they're telling everyone, if you don't need to go out, stay in. So I'm staying in. I'm going to relax and cook, watch TV, and hope the power don't go out. Okay? So I'm just want to talk about the weather today, and this is what I will be doing. Looking out the window time to time, watching TV, eating, and looking at social media on my tablet or phone or computer. Anyway, I'm out. Take care of her. Stay stay dry, and stay inside if you are in Chicago area. Okay? Take care and be safe. Until next time, bye.